Hello, my beautiful people. I promise to get better lighting going on. I have a ring thing here somewhere, and I will find it so the lighting is better. But it's time for our daily rune pull. What does Spirit have in mind for us today? Let us ask. What do we have today? Oh. Okay, we have Ansuz. So we will talk about that. All right, what does Ansuz mean? So if you remember, Ansuz is the Odin stone. That's what it translates to. And it's about communication, about chit-chatting, breath of life, intelligence, communication and language, use of your voice, speech, poetry, ancestral line, wisdom, knowledge, words of power. Use your wits and your words. So do you have a message today? Do you have a message to give other people? Maybe one person, is there something that you need to say that will bring light and love or bring meaning or resonate with somebody else? Let's see. These are our 2 card decks for today. Let's pick one. All right, then we're going to do Celtic Spirit. That's the one that stayed in my hand. So let's see what our card is for today. So what kind of message do you have for somebody? Or maybe a message is coming to you. Wow. This one flipped right over. So, threshold, answers, open, and open-minded. So remember, the oak guardian stands at the door of wisdom. And the door is only open to you if you are ready to handle that wisdom. So perhaps something is going to be communicated to you, or perhaps you're going to communicate something to somebody else that now they're ready to hear that perhaps they weren't ready to hear before. So today's all about communication. So I am wishing all of you all the very best in light and love. Have an amazing day. It's Monday, so have an amazing week, and I will catch you all later. Be well. Bye-bye.